Mastering the plot through point of view. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're delving deep into the world of creative writing, focusing specifically on how to develop plot through point of view. Understanding this relationship is crucial, as the perspective from which a story is told can dramatically change the way the plot unfolds and is perceived by readers. Point of view refers to the perspective or lens through which a story is told. Imagine you're wearing glasses, and each pair you put on gives you a different way of seeing the world. That's what POV does for storytelling. Here are the primary types. 1. First person. The narrator is a character in the story, often using pronouns like I or we. 2. Second person. The narrator addresses the reader directly as you. 3. Third person limited. The narrator is outside the story but focuses closely on one character's thoughts and experiences. 4. Third person omniscient. The narrator knows everything about all characters, including their thoughts and feelings. The chosen POV can dramatically alter the way a story's plot is perceived. For example, first person offers intimate insight into one character's emotions and experiences. This can make the story deeply personal, but we might miss out on what other characters are thinking. Second person can make the reader feel like they're part of the story. It's an immersive experience, but can be challenging to pull off. Third person limited provides a balance between intimacy and detachment. We get close to one character but can also see their interactions with the broader world. Third person omniscient offers a broad view of the story's world, but can risk becoming detached from individual characters. 1. Stay consistent. Switching POVs can confuse readers. If you change, do so with a clear purpose. 2. Use POV to enhance mystery. With a limited POV, you can withhold information from the reader, creating suspense. 3. Consider character reliability. In first person, the narrator might not be reliable. This can add layers to the plot, as readers try to distinguish truth from perception. 4. Reflect on emotional impact. Ask yourself which POV will make readers feel closest to the emotions you want to convey in the story. Choosing the right point of view is like selecting the perfect lens for a camera. It shapes how readers perceive your story and feel its emotions. We hope this video has illuminated the powerful relationship between POV and plot. Happy writing, and may your stories always find their perfect perspective.